In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off Google Chrome notifications on your Android device. Notifications can be helpful, but they can also be distracting. If you find that you're being bombarded with notifications from Google Chrome and want to turn them off, I'll show you how. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Apps. And then tap on the search button at the top right. Search for Google Chrome. Tap and select it from the search results. And then tap Notifications. Now you have the ability to completely turn off notifications, or turn off notifications for specific sites. To turn off notifications for specific sites, scroll down and tap In-app Notification Settings Chrome. Now you'll be able to see a list of all the sites for which you have allowed notifications. Just tap and select the site where you want to turn off notifications. And then simply toggle off this switch over here to turn off this site's notifications. Now that site can't send you any notifications. If you want to completely turn off all Google Chrome notifications, simply go back and then scroll up and toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.